game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack.
Yeah. Fire. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Strength Classroom. Today I'm talking about my max effort or heavy effort upper body workout. Now, volume is getting a bit on the lower side. Jiu-jitsu is picking up. More practices are being scheduled for myself, so it's not that I don't feel like I can recover. I just want to be ahead of the curve and not go crazy. Just, you know, the old adage, like, stimulate, don't annihilate. Just not for the fact that I feel like I have any competitions coming up, but it's just the fact that I am getting significantly more activity and, you know, something has to give. So I worked up to a top signal of 295, a top set without straps of 275 for 5 on the barbell rows. And here is my, I guess, top set with straps, which is 275 for 10. Like I said, I really like these deficit. It's like a 3-inch platform there. Deficit barbell rows. They are probably not my favorite rowing variation, but just my favorite way to do barbell rows. I like the added stretch. I just like the longer range of motion. And then I did a couple of down sets with the floor press. So I did 2 sets anywhere of 3 to 5 reps, and it was in between the 250 to 265 range. And then I did a final, let's call it just rep out set with 225 with straps, just so my grip is not limiting my back. I do find when I am doing jiu-jitsu more, whether you know the difference between gi and no gi, I do feel like my grip really takes a beating. So I feel like I have to put in extra grip work and use straps more often on the regular barbell exercises. I find that's always been a good way to like handle with tendonitis and all that stuff, but just hand strength in general. And then I'm really using these bodyweight dips just to precondition my shoulders to going through bigger ranges of motion before I start adding weight again. So just like 40 to 50 total reps and then move on to the next exercise. That's pretty much how I'm programming it now. And I kind of don't have an overall rep goal. So it's like a total rep goal, which I've talked about in previous videos, that sometimes you kind of throw sets and reps out the window and just go for like a total workload. So 40 to 50 reps. Now here I'm trying out my reverse hyper. I'm going to make a full review on it. But I just want to like showcase the many things you can do with it other than the traditional reverse hyper exercise. I'm the type of person, when I buy something from my home gym, I want to make sure it could do more than just one thing, because I'm limited on space, and that's a home gym mindset, in my honest opinion, is you want to maximize what you're getting. So I just ended off with, let's say, a muscular endurance giant set. So I did some rows, 4 sets of 25, some triceps, 4 sets of 25, and I believe I did curls. I can't even remember. This workout was like a week ago, but it's mainly for getting my muscular endurance up for jiu-jitsu. It's going to help with a little bit of hypertrophy, and I'm using the fat grips there just to help the hand strength just a little bit more. It's going to help for hypertrophy, but the main goal is muscular endurance. The heavier stuff in the beginning is going to take care of the muscular endurance and strength. There's the breakdown of the workout. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, have yourself a great day.